Hey guys, it is Mrs. Bernal, and it looks like I have the wrong screen. Okay, so I'm not sharing the screen anymore. All right, so you should be able to see my screen and not the camera, because that's what I want you to focus on. So you did the practice quiz in the textbook, and that was on, let me switch here, page 375, the practice quiz. And I said I was going to post the answer so you could check your problems. All right, so number one, and know that you can pause this at any time as you need to. But number one, if you open up the net of that triangular prism, there is all the work. And your answer would have been 132 square centimeters. Okay. Number two, I'm just going to click this so you can see the work. So there is the formula, and you should have gotten an answer of 100 square millimeters, or it looks like that, 100 squared. All right, number three, there is the formula, right? You're going to find the area of the base, area of the lateral faces. And so the pyramid would have a surface area of 245 square meters, or meters squared. Number four, area of the base, it's a square, it's 2 by 2, and there are 4 lateral faces. So really you just have to take the area of one of those triangles and times it by 4. Remember to take the sum, and you would have 28 square centimeters. Okay, so number 5. So we got a lot of questions on this on the quiz. Some of you have already taken it. So if you have not yet, know that if the number you get is very close to one of the problems, most likely that is the answer. So for example here, if you use 78 times pi, rather than 78 times 22/7 or 78 times the pi button. It may give you a slightly different answer, but it would be very close to this 244.9. And I would mark that right. So because the real quiz is, a multiple choice, there's not that option to, put in something that you would have depending on what you use for pi. So if it's, for example, on the quiz, if you get an answer of 245.1 and the answer is 244.9, that what you got is really close, because the other answers, are in the 700s and, 900, maybe 100. So then, you know that would really be the right answer. All right, so number six, this is of a cylinder, okay? So there is your cylinder formula, and then there is the radius put in there, radius, the height, and then your surface area. Look here, this is approximately, so that means there was some rounding done here in Big Ideas, and so then they got approximately 345.4. If you have a slightly different answer, but it's very close to 345.4, then you were correct. Okay. All right. Number 7. There's number 7. Remember, lateral surface area is just the soup label. Okay. So if you did the total cylinder, you have a much larger number than this. So be careful. It said lateral surface area. All right. Number 8. Lateral surface area is 306.5 square millimeters. Number 9. I'll show you the work there. Remember, pause if you need to so you can really see what this all is going on here. All right, so if I unclick this, these are the answers. So 18 feet squared, and then part B is yes. All right, so I'm going to click it one more time. So if you need to pause this to read through this, that's fine, to check yourself. Okay. All right, and then number 10. There you go. The lateral surface area is 339.12 square inches, which is the least amount of material needed to make the mailing tube. And then the last one is number 11. And I don't know if I can move this little box. No, I can't. 11 is, it looks like, so the area of the chest to be painted is 11,520 square inches, because remember it was given in feet, so you just have to do the conversion and then do your math there. Okay. All right. So there you go. That is the quiz and all the answers. And again, if you need to pause, just do so, and then you can look at it a little bit more thoroughly. Okay. So let's see if I can switch cameras. I don't know if I can switch cameras here. Yeah, I can't do that. So let's see if you can see me. All right, so good luck. I'm sideways. Let's see here. Well, there we go. All right, so good luck on the quiz. If you have any questions, email me. All right, and I'm going to cancel the Zoom for this Friday. I think some kids are Zoomed out. So I'm going to cancel the Zoom on Friday. But again, if you can email me with your questions, I'll be happy to answer you. So be well, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.